Have you ever imagined living in a room that's only 3 tatami mats in size? It may sound impossible, but in Japan, these ultra-small apartments are becoming surprisingly popular. At first glance, they seem too tiny to live in. But many young professionals and students are choosing them on purpose. So why? The biggest reason is cost. In major cities like Tokyo, a standard one-room apartment can easily cost more than 100,000 yen per month. But a much smaller apartment in a convenient location may rent for only 60,000 to 80,000 yen. That difference can save thousands of dollars every year. Lower rent also means lower move-in costs. Since deposits, key money, and agency fees are often based on monthly rent, tenants can save a significant amount before they even move in. There are other financial benefits too. Because the room is small, heating and cooling costs are lower. Cleaning takes only a few minutes, and maintenance is simple. Many residents also discover an unexpected lifestyle change. With very limited space, they naturally buy fewer unnecessary things and adopt a minimalist lifestyle. Instead of spending money on bigger homes, they invest in travel, hobbies, or personal development. Many of these apartments also include clever features like loft beds, built-in storage, and modern bathrooms, making the small space surprisingly functional. Of course, tiny apartments aren't perfect. There may not be enough room to entertain guests. Furniture choices are limited, and storage space can be tight. In some buildings, noise insulation may also be weaker than in larger apartments. Still, for people who value location over size, these trade-offs are worth it. Japan's tiny apartments show that bigger isn't always better. For many people, saving money, reducing commuting time, and simplifying life creates a higher quality of living than having extra square meters. Would you be willing to live in a 3 tatami apartment if it meant living in the heart of Tokyo?